Hello, my name is John and welcome to whatifi and our Disrupt Explainer video. whatifi is a highly visual, low-code, formula and spreadsheet-free financial scenario builder, projection software, and presentation platform. We provide financial advisors, consultants, and their stakeholders with a visual, interactive, collaborative way of building scenarios, sharing scenarios, and enacting scenarios. whatifi's approach to scenario planning is very unique. So first, some basics. Every scenario and every plan begins with the baseline. A baseline is like a profile that contains events or nodes, for example, employee, revenue or benefits, a house, a mortgage, a job. Everything in the baseline is real and current. By connecting these events together, we pass calculations and metadata downstream to subsequent events. We call this context passing. A scenario, however, is a future-forward projection that contains additional events, as well as decisions and branches that model countless future possibilities. Each unique path through a scenario is called a scenario thread. Each potential scenario uses the baseline as its foundation, and any changes to the baseline also impacts all downstream scenarios and threads. Thanks to our third-party API integrations, our whatifi scenarios are living, breathing, and dynamically update. Calculations and projections revise daily and keep advisors and clients informed of changes. This leads us to goals. A scenario has a journey and a destination. Applying a target goal to any type of account allows us to use our integrations to track whether we are indeed able to hit a targeted goal. Let's look at a very simple example. A family looking at relocating to Montreal. In our scenario canvas, we lay down a series of nodes or events to build up multiple complex scenarios. There can be many types of events. We currently support income, expenses, mortgages, goals, investments, income tax, down payments. We have bank account integrations, property resales, employee nodes, pension nodes, and a growing list that increases every single day of building blocks that we use to create these scenarios. In this simple example, a family is looking at moving to Montreal. They have flights, shipping, and then their first decision. Job number 1, $2,500, and it pays bi-weekly. Job number 2, $4,000, and it pays monthly. And job 3 and 4, which are 2 contracts. Another key thing to note here that there's not just financial values, there's also sentiment data. For example, this job here is a 1-star review, whether that's pulling in information from Glassdoor or personal ranks and reviews. The second job, though, is a fantastic opportunity, 5 stars. The same thing applies to rental choices. There's the fancy downtown condo for $3,500, 5 stars, or the basement apartment, 2 stars, but it won't be ready for 2 months, so there's a hotel suite that'll be required. As you can see already, there's already 6 different decisions that could be made. Job 1 in the basement, job 2 in the basement, job 3, 4 in the basement, job 1 in the condo, job 2 in the condo, job 3, 4 in the condo. We call these scenario threads. And our algorithm, the decision engine, marches through each unique path through the canvas and calculates day by day by day a series of values across multiple accounts, whether that's cash flow, net worth, interest paid, etc., etc., etc. We use our decision engine to sort this data. Sliding all the way to the left here, we are now sorting all of our scenario threads from most profitable down to least profitable. Or sorting to the right here by sentiment data, these are now the highest ranked and reviewed choices down to the lowest ranked and reviewed choices. We can check select multiple versions of these and display them all on the canvas together. And we can switch to a net worth value to see how that decision plays over time. The decision funnel. At some stage we need to make a decision. We can select any particular node in our canvas. We can lock that event in and bypass other partner events at the same time. You'll see now we're down from 6 scenarios down to 2. While some Excel professionals could easily model this in a spreadsheet, add a few more decisions, add a few more variables, increase complexity, and these 6 scenarios quickly become 10, 12, 40, 80, 200, beyond the scope of most software's ability to rapidly build and evolve. Let's add a goal now. A goal can be added to any type of an account and any amount on any given date. Switch to net worth, and we can see whether a given goal is going to be reached or exceeded given each particular scenario thread's capabilities. At its heart, whatifi is a collaboration platform. A CFO can share a scenario with a CEO, a mortgage broker can share a scenario with a client, a financial planner can share a scenario with a family. Our Google Drive-like scenario sharing features give the ability to comment, nudge, track, follow, and most importantly, visualize the progression of a scenario over time. This is the secret sauce that makes whatifi different from other offerings.